of she who has been told that crying and asking for help means you are an attention-seeking doll. Such a sick system that cuts off the power in the walls of our history. Magetsi ayenda Shinobva zvanzi mwana asingacheme anofira mbereko. Ashi yake mbereko yakamusunga nepauro, causing her to swallow up her own voice. Nai mwanasikana, don't you see that the rope that is around your neck is choking the life out of the power of your voice? Don't you know that you too can be saved? It's okay to scream, but they've caused you to swallow your voice in fear. But don't fear, it's high time they listen. It all started in school when she was still innocent and naive. Ko aimbo Yvee, what belonged to her, a greater part was taken. Good grades for his sexual pleasure, left with her senses nursing suicidal ideation. She conceals the baby with baggy clothes. A bastard you will be called, a prostitute she will be taunted. But sadly there is no name for a man who will never return. There is no name for a man who rapes and takes innocence. Rapist doesn't even count on giving justice. So here we are in her head with the demon screaming because there is no longer much space to place a mess. She wishes she could dream too, but she can't sleep because half of her life she is awake. Stakes of antidepressants take up much of her space. Thinking of it, these drugs don't even numb the pain of running around in her own head. These blessers don't even pay for the stuff that can cover her head. Instead, they leave her with a reputation that strips her body, standing naked in her own shame. So can you imagine what it's like to cry and no one wants to community, we are your children, not sex objects to molest. Ingawani munoti mwana ndewe munu wese. So why not bring us up like your own? Do not shun us pajino rwaza. Give us a hand and an ear. Give us some eyes so we know that you see that we are here. Mapurisa put shackles on the perpetrators who threaten to make us slaves. Tighten the laws that protect our safety, the same way you would tighten the laces on your shoes before our race to success. Be kind to us. It is not our intention to get violated. See, what harms a nation is a lack of unity. If we work together as a collective, we can end the ills that threaten the well-being of our society. We are the beginning of a new thing. Let's start acting like it. Let's listen.